Well, welcome guys to TechNav.com, and today we'll be giving you another unboxing. Today we're not gonna unbox a phone, but instead we'll be unboxing earphones by Sony. Today we're going to be unboxing the WF-SP700N. So these are actually sport earphones. Based on the packaging, up to 9 hours playback time via charging case. 9 hours! That's at least more than a quarter of a day. Oh, that's really nothing much to say. Let's get out the box. Oh. Well, first out of the box, we got the charging case. You get to see the inside of the charging case where the earphones are gonna go into. There is the two earphones, which is really hard to get out of. Okay. This should fit. How do they fit in the case? Ooh.
One eternity later.
Okay, that's enough of that. To fit the earphones into the case, you just need to follow the indicator here. So R means right, so down here it says R, so the right one goes here. And then as soon as you put the earphones inside the case, it'll light up as red. Yeah, there's a little red light over here that shows that it's charging. Okay, let's empty the content of the boxers. Let's see, there's one more box inside, and inside this box we find the charging cable. Inside this plastic, there's a quick start guide. What is this? Oh, a user manual. Okay, I don't think we need this, so I'm just gonna set it aside. Other than that, there's spare ear tips. Let's try to turn this on and try and see how it works. The sound quality is actually really good. I really like the bass of the earphones. But overall, wait, hold on. Overall, the earphones is actually really good, and it's really comfortable as well. Like, even if I wear it and I shake my head, it doesn't really fall off. I'm assuming if you were to wear this and you will go for a run, it will definitely stay on your ear even if you don't want it to. And it's really loud. Wait, let me turn it on at max volume for you guys to hear. That is actually pretty loud, but I'm assuming that if you put it at maximum loudness settings, it would probably drop the battery level quite a bit. But since you have this that offers up to 2 more full charge, which gives you up to 9 hours of battery life before you need to charge the charging cradle and the earpieces as well. Stay tuned to TechNav.com for more videos like this. Bye bye.